So Southern Aluminum Finishing actually celebrates, we celebrate our 75th anniversary this year in 2021. We were founded on the East Coast in Georgia, and in 2007 we opened this facility here in Reading. And we distribute and finish and fabricate aluminum. And so we're really kind of the architectural aluminum choice for contractors, because we stock a lot of aluminum and we can finish it either on our anodizing line, our paint line in Georgia, and we fabricate all custom panels that basically go on high rises all over the US.
I like working with my hands. I like working on machines. So pretty much this is a place I can learn and get a lot of experience on a variety of machines. And what makes manufacturing interesting is the process of just creating something from scratch and then having a product there and you're a part of it.
So originally I was just looking for a job and trying to get into manufacturing at all. This is where I was kind of sent, and I kind of fell in love with it. I had zero experience in anything like this. I'd done assembly lines before, but it was nothing to this degree. So I had to pretty much learn everything that came with it. I mean, I barely knew how to read a tape measure, to be honest, so I was literally learning everything.
We're hiring right now for anodizing rackers, we're hiring in shipping, and we're hiring in assembly. The basics you need to apply for a job here is really just the willingness to learn. If you come in and have a good attitude and can show up to work every day, then we can teach you everything you need to know.
My favorite part of SAF really is the kind of family environment we have here. We're growing as a company, but it still has a very small company feel. So everyone knows each other and you can really enjoy coming to work every day.
So right now we have several entry-level positions available in assembly, in racking in our anodizing department, but also some technical positions like a press brake operator here in the fabrication department. We always look for good people, so whether that's a specific position we're looking for right now, if we get a resume of someone that's looking to get involved with us, right now we're basically going to find them a spot. What makes a candidate really stand out is when they show us that they really care, that they really want to be involved with us. Taking initiative, not just showing up, but actually taking the extra step to really show us that they really want to be here.